Just like everything else we do at BFI Insights, we have put nothing but absolute consideration into actualizing our current branding, positioning, and identity. Our new identity has helped us to better define our positioning and commitment to being the right trusted partner and solution provider. Every element of our new brand identity speaks directly to our promises to our current and prospective clients, reflecting who we are, our tenets, and the solutions we provide. Our new logo does not just create an imagery idea. It largely depicts our tenets and promises. It contains a cube-like connection, depicting relationship and responsiveness. A pure wordmark with a solid and uniquely styled BFI, signifying reliability. Just as our wordmark suggests, in all our engagements, we see a full focus inside concentrated area and other with less focus, showcasing our ability to bring precision to the fore, even as we focus on the right and value-adding factors. From now on, we hope that when you come across our new brand, you'll be reminded of a best-in-class solution provider, solving challenging problems for clients, and a company that strives to build data and finance professionals, including enthusiasts for the future of work.